Hi, this is David. We've got some trailer brakes on our camper that aren't working. Put in a new brake controller, nothing at all. So to start with, I'm just physically examining the wires that are going to the electric brakes, where they come down from the top of the trailer, and just looking at them to see if they're physically okay. Everything seems to be intact. And if so, we'll go on to the next step of troubleshooting, which is tracking a signal around. But let's look at the other side now. Here's where it goes through the axle. See, as I'm pulling it here, see it moving over there. Shows that we have connected a wire. Okay, we have the trailer hooked up now. Wire's all connected, and we're going to see if our 12 volts is getting from our brake controller right to the wheel. And what I've done is spliced in a couple of connections here with some test leads on there, so I can put my meter on there and measure, see if the 12 volts is getting there. Now, showing how to do the splice under the trailer was really difficult, so I decided to just put in this little demo for those of you who might not be familiar with using these automotive splices. I'm basically making it into a test lead, that little red lead on there. That's where I'll put my meter to look for the signal. And you just crimp these. Wire piercing probes are also very useful for this sort of thing. Okay, let's find out if that 12 volts is getting there. And there it is. So next step is going to be to have a look at the electric brake. See what's going on. So have the receiver on the hitch ball to jack this up, and then just find some cross members in here and put a jack under there. And set it down on a support. Remove the hubcap. Tapping is usually all it takes. And next you have to pry out this axle nut keeper. Get a screwdriver in there and work it off. Remove the axle nut. And the washer and the wheel bearing are next. And off with the drum. There's our problem. One of the wires burned right off the brake magnet. Here's the action. When the magnet's energized, it locks onto the rotating surface of the drum, forcing the brake shoe out and into the brake on position. It works in either direction. And these are 7-inch brake drums. Remove the retaining clip. Get under here and pry on it. And behind it is a spring, which keeps the magnet in contact with the drum at all times. I found these replacement magnets online at a company called E-Trailer. A real good service. In a couple days, about 15 bucks a piece. And be careful, parts fly out. Don't lose a replacement spring or retaining clip. Let's see how much wire they included with the magnet. That looks good. Alright, let's check it out. Hey, this is going to work. And take care to note how it's routed so you can get the replacement part in there the same way. Let's put this back together, put the spring on the post. Now the magnet with the large square opening outward, followed by the retaining clip. After a little experimentation, I found a socket just the right size to tap on this retaining clip. And when it's on there right, it'll move freely in and out, so it'll maintain contact with the drum at all times. And then it goes through the back, the backing plate. And there's a little clip on here. Take that off. Make sure there's a little flexibility left. Now we'll clip these off back here. That's the old wire coming through. We'll just clip it about here. And I'm going to solder it, otherwise butt splicing's just fine. I just don't have any right now and I don't want to run out for them. Okay, seat the axle nut by turning it pretty hard first, then back it off a little bit, and then just snug it up till it just makes contact before you put the retainer back on. Not too tight, not too loose. For testing purposes, I'm setting the brake controller to its most aggressive setting. Hit it! Okay, you can let up. Now here on the right side, the wiring is still intact. It didn't burn through, but we'll replace it anyway. And there's the other side done. Okay, hit it! Okay, release. Okay, hit it. Very good, I'm done. Thanks for watching and happy trailering.